The digital age has transformed the way we write, prompting the rise of innovative tools that enhance communication. One standout is Grammarly Go, an AI-powered writing assistant developed by Grammarly. Unlike traditional spell checkers, Grammarly Go leverages advanced artificial intelligence to refine writing in real time, going far beyond basic grammar corrections. Imagine drafting an important email, business report, or social media post. Grammarly Go assists by analyzing your text and providing suggestions related to tone, clarity, word choice, sentence structure, and style. Its AI evaluates context, making sure your writing suits its intended audience, whether it's formal, friendly, persuasive, or informative. For example, if you're unsure whether your message sounds too direct, Grammarly Go can rewrite it to sound more courteous or concise. The tool isn't limited to just fixing mistakes. It helps generate original content, brainstorm ideas, and even provides rewrite options to expand or shorten your text. Users can prompt Grammarly Go to write in various formats, ask clarifying questions, or request creative input. In this way, the tool serves not only as a proofreader, but also as a productivity partner for writers of all levels. Accessible on web platforms and as browser extensions, Grammarly Go integrates seamlessly into workflows. Its interface is designed for simplicity. Suggestions pop up as you write, easily accepted or dismissed with a click. You always remain in control of your final draft, choosing which improvements to implement. Overall, Grammarly Go makes writing faster, smarter, and more effective by combining AI-powered edits with style and creativity support, helping everyone become a better communicator.